How to join Kick Partner Program. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join Kick Partner Program. So let's get started. First of all, open any of the search engine and search for Kick Partner Program. Once you do so, hit enter and you're going to click on this first website, that is streamer.kick.com. Simply click on it and you will be redirected to streamer.kick.com. So once you're in Streamer Kick, so you'll be able to see Kick partners join our premium Kick partner program and take your streaming career to the next level. Stream, earn, and grow with the best revenue split in the industry. So simply scroll down, and once you do so, you'll be able to see how to become a Kick partner. So here is follow the rules. So what you got to do is read and follow Kick's terms of service and adhere to our community guidelines. Comply with our DMCA policy, abide by Kick Partner Program terms and conditions. After that, you got to set up your channel. You got to have a verified Kick channel before applying. Complete your about section. Everything should be completed. Your profile should be 100% completed. Link relevant social media accounts to your profile to prove your authenticity and meet streaming requirements. Stream for at least 30 hours and have at least 250 unique chatters in the last 30 days. Have at least 25 active subscribers and at least 250 followers. Maintain an average of 75 concurrent viewers. So if you do fall under this criteria, you gotta simply scroll up and you gotta click on apply now. Once you do so, you'll be prompted to another interface where you gotta write email to the Kick support. So simply click on Outlook, select your email, write an email to them, and then they will approve whether you should be in the referral program or not. So that's basically how you can join Kick Partner Program. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.